friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Colorful's custom GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. So friend, the first non-custom design based on upcoming RTX 4060 Ti GPU is reportedly factory overclock, and friend, it is said that the RTX 4060 Ti iGame Ultra would be clocked at 2580 MHz, which would be 1.8% or 45 MHz faster than the rumor reference clock. And since this is not the first customized ROC model to be released, we can quickly look up all previous iGame Ultra release from the RTX 40 series, and just release RTX 4070 is still offered with a lower factory overclock than mentioned 4060 Ti. And friend, the RTX 4060 Ti is to feature an AD106 GPU with 4352 CUDA cores, while the RTX 4060 might be equipped with an AD107 GPU and 3072 cores, and both cards are said to feature 8 GB of GDDR6 memory across a 128-bit bus. And friend, we are looking at a downgrade from the RTX 4060 series. The same would apply to PCIe specification, now limited to 8 lines, and the good news is that RTX 4060 cards reportedly requires less power than the last generation series. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.